afternoon, everyone. Today we all have prepared a debate topic on online transaction, and we all are in the favor of this topic. I am Aditi, Shraddha, Sonam, Kritika, Amit, Jay, Ashad, Abhishek, Harshit, Arman Khatana, Raghav, Prithvi, and Deep. So, online transaction. It is a business method that conduct the online payment, and it is also known as online transaction. It is a payment method that aims to settle money transfer or fund settlement via electronic mode. It also requires security and password protection by various methods like OTP verification, and it is the backbone of e-commerce. Thank you.
People can pay for their goods and services at any time from any part of the world. It is more easier to click a feature on your smartphone than to collect the correct amount of cash for your purchase. You don't have to get worried about not having the payment changes. In online transaction, you just need to remember a certain PIN, and that's it, your transaction is done.
Online payments save a lot of time. They don't have to wait for bank to clear their check. Online payment also decrease the change of late payment.
For both the seller and the customer, online transactions save lots of time. They do not have wait in a line to collect their money. Online transactions save lots of time.
Contrary to popular misconception, online transactions are highly secure when conducted through platform with robust.
Online transactions streamline the payment process, enabling shift and purchasing good etc.
An online transaction refers to the exchange of funds or information over internet. It typically involves a buyer, a seller, and a digital platform where the transaction occurs. In short, an online transaction is a process in which you transfer and getting funds through a digital platform where the transaction occurs.
It is very safe and password protected. It saves lot of time. It makes India digital country, and it very help us when we not lost or wallet.
More uses of online transaction. Consume low time, low risk to store and transfer the money to account and reduce the paper currency. Apps of online transaction: PhonePe, Paytm, Google Pay, FanPay for children.
Online transactions provide unparalleled service to the consumers. Gone are the days of waiting in the long line at bank or rushing to meet the payment deadline in bank. With just a few clicks or a tap, individual can complete transaction from their own house comfort or while on the go. This convenience not only saves the time of the consumer but also eliminates the use for physical travel, reducing our carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable development. Thank you.
Some tips to secure online transactions. Do not save your card details in your mobile. Do not share any card details to another one. And do not make fake calls.
It is easier to use. It is useful for transferring funds to others without going anywhere. It saves a lot of time.
Online transaction offer convenience, accessibility, and 24/7 ability, enabling user to purchase anywhere at any time. They are faster and cost-effective from anywhere at any time, and security measures like encryption and safety, making online transaction efficient and reliable. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone present here. Today we all have prepared on the topic of online transactions, and we are in against of it. My name is Shan, and here's my opinion. There is a way of online transaction known as black crypto transaction. Most people don't know about black crypto transaction, but it is a very powerful way to transact online money, and it is very harmful for the innocent people. Black crypto transaction is simply the transaction of black money. Black money is literally fraud money collected from innocent people or corrupted ways. The transaction of black crypto can be done through various networks like TRC20, Ethereum chain, BTC chain, etc. And the most commonly used cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. And there are also some other drawbacks of online transaction. Like if you accidentally transfer uneven amount of money, like 20,000 or 30,000 bucks, etc., in anyone's account, so we cannot expect that we will get it back every time, because it depends on the person that he will return your money or not.
Online transaction means to buy anything online or purchase anything online. But we should avoid it because of the following reasons. Online money can easily be stolen. It would be dangerous for us. And we also need a mobile phone to use it, and also internet connection. Without internet connection, we don't able to use it. And now ATM machines are also starting hacked by hackers. And it would be dangerous for our country information.
Service and other expenses. Some forms of companies may charge the setup fees. The merchant and the buyer get annoyed with the more other expenses.
As per my view, there is a large list and online portal may access your private data or bank account information. If you are a registered user and often utilize online payment.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Atyan. Service charges. If someone uses your electronic fund without permission, you can complain to your bank or a company to handling your online payments. However, if you can't find any information about the person responsible, you
Security concern. There are no several security concerns associated with utilizing online payment. Important financial data and information may be readily hacked by thieves. Criminal may also easily evade capture since there are no verification technology face.
Good morning all of you. My name is Aman. Online transaction has some technical problem also. Online payment are the subject to technical failure or downtime, just like any other software that is depend on technology. Through tech maintenance, operations are announced in advance and usually take place during the night. Sometimes it can cause frustration among online shopkeepers, especially it can take place. There are many hackers take our life.
Online transaction have many problems, like we order something online and pay online, but the order is not confirmed and our money is debited from bank. That's a major problem.
My name is Shradha. As my use it's taken time and amount restriction. Some banks place a limit on the number transaction that may be transferred. The majority of online transactions also have deadline that you must meet, like receiving and accepting OTPs. Also, some people.
Good afternoon, my name is Punita. After this conversion, this is my conclusion about the online payment. Online payment have their own set of drawbacks that you need to be aware of, despite the fact that they are so often to be advantage. Some many reasons. After all, in the modern digital environment, every useful function carries a little amount of danger. So most of the drawbacks are manageable with the proper precautions and management. Thank you.
In the conclusion, I heard that some people were talking about security. So let's talk about it. If your phone can be hacked by sending a single image, what can you do with the security that is applied to the app for online transaction like payment, UPI and PhonePe, etc. I accept that the security of these apps are very high. They also send a one-time password, also known as OTP,